Looking for a locksmith in the San Francisco Bay Area? Well, look no further than the Bay Area's best locksmith. We service the entire Bay Area. No matter where you are, we have a local mobile technician in your area ready to assist. All of our locksmiths are licensed, bonded, and insured, and have gone through extensive training for your security. In fact, our technicians are able to perform services most technicians elsewhere can't, with the use and experience of the latest cutting-edge equipment. Our specialties include car key replacement for all makes and models, ignition switch repair and replacement, lock installation, lock rekeying, and damage-free lockout service for residential, automotive, and commercial businesses. Our rates are competitive, reasonable, and we offer only the finest quality craftsmanship, backed by a warranty. We're open 24 hours and offer same-day service or appointment times for your convenience. Visit us at bayareabestlocksmith.com or call anytime 888-779-0072.